So to tell you a little bit about Also Freedom is a premium t-shirt brand. We produce it in Peru with beautiful Sakima cottons. The quality is sublime. It was started by a young woman who was very well educated, went into the kind of financial and business world, and it just didn't feed her soul. Every Sunday night she found that she was dreading Monday morning, and this mantra kept running through her head of also freedom and don't postpone your freedom. So one of the first t-shirts that she did had don't postpone your freedom embroidered on it, and that became a bit of a mantra, again, a motto for her. And then from there are things like more playful, like daydreaming in French, which is really wonderful. I mean, it's another way to keep your freedom, is to kind of travel in your mind when you're stuck. And then there's things like made of stardust, you know, kind of to remind us that we all are made of carbon and one people. And then it gets to something a little bit more thoughtful, you know, because she competes with no one competes with her. You know, it's like to keep that in mind, to keep those kinds of philosophical, positive messages. And then another bestseller for us is "Come quickly, I'm tasting the stars," which is an actual quote from Dom Perignon on the discovery of champagne. So that's my little line, Also Freedom. Vintage denim, button fly, rigid jeans, slightly reworked, and you know, it's about finding that new favorite, and then also it's about, you know, bringing things back around that are American classics, and then not adding to what's going on in the landfills. You know, taking that old pair of somebody else's favorite jeans and making them something new. We're nipping them a little bit at the waist and reworking them gently, and that's been a really positive thing. It's very easy to get people excited about that, because there's a generation that lived in them before that was rediscovering them, and then there's a millennial and Gen Z generation that is all about not contributing to all of the trash on the planet. So there you go. You can find me you can find these lines in better boutiques. Market in Brentwood, Amory's in Newport carries Also Freedom. You know, it's going to be better independent boutiques, which is kind of, again, a business model of ours. There you go. Thanks.